Hello lovelies, Nisha Sanjeev with you, your partner in transformation. Are you a multitasker? Do you take pride in saying that you're a super multitasker? Here's the thing. As long as you want to post FB messages and in the loo, that's fine, that's multitasking is okay. Or you want to chat with somebody, talk to someone while you're cooking, that multitasking is okay. But if you are multitasking important stuff, you're going to just remain an average in all of that. If you want to rise above and excel at something, or you want to rise even above that, you want to gain mastery at something, or you want to rise even above that and become an authority in some field or in what you're doing, then you need to have that hawk-eyed concentration and that laser sharp focus. You can't afford to multitask. That will leave you in a mediocre space. Average. You'll be doing everything but not excelling at anything. Why? Because multitasking is scattering of your energy. Where you have to give 10% of your energy, you'll be able to give just 10%, 20%. Imagine, take for example a hypothetical situation where you have only 10 logs for one fireplace. Okay, and you have to, for example, you need urgently to cook 3 different dishes. You set up 3 different stoves and you take the logs from this first one and distribute it to the 3 other places. What happens? All the 4 things will be delayed and the quality of all the 4 also will be affected. It's the same thing. The quality of your work will be affected if you multitask. It may take more longer time to finish each task and you will not get the desired result. You will just be happy. You will just be average. And that, if average keeps you happy, then yes, you will be happy. But you will not rise above the mediocre average level and get into excellency and mastery and being an authority of something. Multitasking can never get you there. Instead, multitasking, you know what it does to you? It will get you stressful. It will get you anxiety, irritation, frustration, lack of confidence. You will become like that, like an emotional hot button, ready to explode anytime because your threshold of tolerance falls. Why does your threshold of tolerance fall? Because the amount of energy you're spending is not proportional to the result that you're getting. And then you say, oh my God, I do this from morning to evening. I do that, I do this, I do that, I do this. I'm the only one running around, working like a donkey. And then I'm so exhausted. Why? Because of this. Now, why do you multitask? There are 2 reasons. One is, there are a lot of research and studies now saying, women are best at multitasking, or women are better than men at multitasking. And now that we are in this so-called, unprecedented Me Too and women empowerment phase, there are women I know who do not like multitasking and do hate multitasking and not good at multitasking, also trying to do multiple things because they think, otherwise they are, not good enough. So apart from this egoistical reason of being the empowered super mom and the super employee or the super woman, the tag that you want to get, apart from that egoistic reason, keep that egoistic reason out. Please do not multitask. Now, apart from that reason, why do most women multitask? Because they do not know how to prioritize their work. Now, here's the thing. Why can't you prioritize what you want? Why can't you say, this is the first thing I'm going to do and I'm only going to do the second thing after I finish this? Why can't you prioritize? It's a question that you need to sit and ask yourself because you fear missing out. Because you want to please everybody. You are a people pleaser. Because you are insecure Why are you insecure? Because you do not know your worth and value. And why don't you know your worth and value? Because you do not know who you are, because you do not love yourself. Period. So next time, my dear friends, if you think you are the super mom, super professional, great multitasker, check and ask yourself, what is it in you that needs healing? There is something there, the root cause. Multitasking is just an euphemism that you're using to hide your flaw. Don't be an average. Don't wallow in that mediocre space. Excel at what you're doing. If you want to be a leader in your space, if you want to be that expert, if you want to be that master, if you want to be that authority of that subject, if you want to be the leader in your space, let the research and study go. Don't. Feminism can wait. Check with yourself, what is it that you need to heal? So until next time, God bless. Be happy.